Hey, what up, chat? We're gonna open the storm shelter.
Stop. Oh, that hurts. We're gonna close the door for ambiance.
We gotta move the TV and everything out of the way.
My parents, low-key, don't give a frick what I do. So. Now?
Here, you film with my phone too, so I can get this out of the way.
Dual film.
Alright. Ready?
I really like my camera more because it's so much more warm. See that?
Yeah, it's fine. Alright, you remember how to open it. I don't.
I've been recording it then. Okay, I'm sorry. So you push it down. Then you push this down. Right now, they're on here. Alright.
Dang. I'm gonna try lifting it. It does stink. Alright. You wanna go first or me? I'll go first. You went first you went first in the attic.
Ooh, yeah, you can go first. Moldy carpet.
It smells like butt.
It smells like your butt.
No, it smells like butt. Straight butt. Ugh, this. Oh, that's why there's poop hanging.
No. Imagine it like this.
What? Oh, this is nasty. Oh, that's a big spider. Holy.
How big?
It's pretty big. Dude, there's so many spider webs. Dang, this is really small.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why it's brand new carpet. Dude, there's so many spider webs, bro. I'm not going in that. There's too many spider webs. And I just took a shower, so I'm not going in that.
Like, let me see how many. Yo, look, you go so deep.
I know.
If I drop that, I'm cooked.
Yeah. You would have to crawl under the stairs. Dude, that stinks like butt though, bro.
Oh, yeah, it's not so bad.
Alright, chat. Y'all saw we saw. Goodbye.
Does this work?